Yeah, I'm sure.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Raven Simone. In today's video, we're going to be doing a mukbang in the car. I got a little Chick-Fil-A salad.
I ain't got no salad. I ain't showing what I got, but
I got the market salad, Chick-Fil-A salad, no apples.
You got to get the Cobb salad, no bacon. But I ain't even got that.
Okay, y'all already know what it is. Tell your mama, tell your man, tell a friend, come subscribe to the channel. Once again, stop watching my videos and not subscribing to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. We love you. Thank you for tuning in.
And if you don't know who I be, I am Royale. Follow me at Royale Pays on everything. You feel me? On everything.
But no, let's get into this video. We're going to be doing a mukbang and doing a smash or pass. Let's go.
All right.
Okay. First person. I'm just about to dress my salad up.
First person.
We just going off the dome. We just going off
Dennis
the dome.
Rodman.
Pass. I'm gonna pass on Dennis.
Strong pass on Dennis.
I'm gonna pass on Dennis.
He was alright though. He was alright.
Yeah. Cool in basketball. Like, you cool, but I'm gonna have to pass on you.
It's the nail polish and the thongs.
Yeah, it's all the piercings on the face for me.
Yeah,
I'm gonna have to pass on that one.
I'm off that. That's a no for me.
Okay, Mike Epps.
As in Day Day?
As in just Mike Epps.
As in Day Day?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gonna smash that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
To this day. To this day.
Mike Epps look real good.
He still
now.
look good to this day.
He just
Day
had a
Day
baby.
is fine.
He just had a baby.
He's still fertile.
I'm gonna say I'll smash Dennis Rodman. I mean, not Dennis Rodman. Not Dennis Rodman. Mike Epps. Mike Epps for sure. I smash Mike Epps. Who you got?
All right. Lakeith Stanfield.
It's a tough one with Lakeith, man. He's so weird. I'm okay with a little strangeness, but he's just so weird. Like, to the point it kind of drives me crazy. On who they ain't give me no fork?
They ain't get you no fork? What's happening?
On who they ain't give me no fork?
No, they didn't give me one for you either.
What?
Ain't the fork back there?
It's another fork?
No.
Chick-Fil-A?
Chick-Fil-A.
Chick-Fil-A. Come on.
What the fuck you about to do? Maybe can we borrow your fork?
She eating.
Sorry, damn. Give me a break.
It's cool. Y'all see how my salad look? That shit look good though. Chick-fil-A on Palmer, y'all gotta do better.
Yeah,
Chick-fil-A on Palmer, y'all gotta do better. Like, literally.
Come on.
Y'all forget the sauce. Y'all forget this. I should have checked the bag before we left though. That's my fault. But who else you got?
Pimp C, RB.
Rest in peace. I'ma pass.
I'ma smash on that.
I'ma pass on Pimp C.
I'ma
definitely
a young Pimp C. Shit.
I'ma pass on that.
Oh, you ain't even say Lakeith.
Oh, Lakeith.
I know that thing big. I know it's worth it too.
I smash Lakeith.
Yeah.
I smash.
Yep.
I smash.
Strong smash. Capitalize.
Yeah, I smash. Not my first choice, but for sure.
Yeah, I'm gonna smash on that.
J. Cole.
I'm gonna pass on that.
J. Cole. I'm a smash. Yeah,
no,
for sure.
I ain't gonna smash Cole. I can't.
For sure.
I can't
smash Cole.
Kendrick, yeah. I smash Kendrick.
Cause Cole, I feel like Cole just gonna wanna chill, lay, like, you know, just be on some
Cole
chill
just
vibes.
like, I don't know. I can't even see him in that light like that. He's such the GOAT. You can't fuck with the GOAT.
Yeah. I'm gonna say smash for J. Cole. You say pass for J. Cole?
Yeah, I'm gonna pass on J. Cole. Let's do.
What about Diddy?
Ooh.
Diddy?
He fine.
I smashed Diddy.
I'll smash Diddy.
I smashed Diddy. Even though I want Diddy to be my mentor. So that's no
I
disrespect,
want him to
Diddy,
be
if
my
you
man.
ever see this. But
I want you to be my man.
If you ever see this. Yikes.
That's not a
Yikes.
smash right there. That's not a smash. Let's see. Draymond Green.
Pass.
Strong pass. I'm gonna give my brothers the jumping on the side.
Yeah, pass.
He got a nasty attitude.
His attitude just not there for me.
I feel like he the type to smash and go on Twitter like, yeah, I just...
His attitude not there for me. I'm really salty about this salad. I was finna smash this. I'm kind of salty.
Smash or pass kale, as in the kale salad. Smash a kale salad. All right.
Who else?
Niggas, you go.
Money bag.
Fuck no.
Yeah, it's a pass for me.
I'm gonna pass on money bag.
It's a pass for me for sure.
All right, little baby.
He just a little baby. That's the thing. He's so little.
Not the baby, little baby. As in.
Oh.
As in
Look. Oh.
With a hat on.
Little baby.
With a hat on. Nah. No shade to baby though.
Nah, I fuck with you, but it's gonna be a no for me.
Alright, the baby, Jonathan. Oh, I'm smashing on Jonathan.
The John.
Smash! I'm smashing like Crash Bandicoot. I'm gonna have it like.
No.
I'm smashing like Hawk Smash. like Hawk Smash. Oh. His ass so fine.
Yeah,
Just imagine that voice. That deep voice.
I smash Jonathan. Yeah, for sure.
Woo! His baby mama gonna try to fight us after this. She look ghetto. Alright, we about to switch flavors. Brad Pitt.
Oh, smash for sure.
Only white man I'll smash.
DiCaprio.
Nope.
Who?
Thor.
If it had to be, but what about Aquaman?
Yeah, he fine too, but he ain't white. He like the, you know.
He like Hawaiian.
Yeah, all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we talking about white, and he Australian. Thor.
If I had to choose one white guy, I'm gonna definitely pick DiCaprio.
I'm gonna choose Thor.
Leo DiCaprio. That's a
Thor
smooth.
is
I feel like that's
so
a
fine.
smooth motherfucker.
No, if I had to choose like older and Caucasian, I'm gonna say George Clooney.
I knew you was gonna say Clooney.
That man fine as a motherfucker. Or no, Matthew McConaughey. I love me some Matthew McConaughey.
See, you know who I always had a crush on though, Ashton Kutcher.
Oh yeah, he's cute.
Always.
He's cute.
All right. Back to the smash or pass. Back to the
Jason Derulo.
Oh, smash. Jason Derulo.
He's
Yeah. What?
He's too corny. He's too corny. He's gonna make me not even be like aroused, cause he wanna dance. He wanna do that. I wanna tussle. I don't like no dancing nigga. That's
I
not
know,
gonna turn
but
me on.
I'm gonna smash Jason Derulo for sure.
He's not turning me on. That Jason.
Okay, Ludacris.
Ludacris. That nigga said he wants you on the 50 yard mark on the Georgia Dome. He said I want you on the 50-yard mark on the Georgia Dome.
I'm gonna smash Ludacris.
I'm gonna smash Ludacris. Actually, I'm gonna smash Ludacris only because of certain songs like Splash Waterfall. What about Sex Phone?
Just the way he looked.
Nah, cause I know he gon'. You can't just smash a nigga for how you look. Oh, T.I.
Smash.
Sorry, Tiny.
That's an unfaithful motherfucker.
Sorry, Tiny.
That's an unfaithful motherfucker, but definitely smash. No disrespect.
T.I. is a fine ass man.
For sure.
Chris Brown.
Pass.
Pass.
Pass. I'm gonna pass on Chris.
I'm passing on Chris. Yeah. We wouldn't even be considered. He don't even like.
No. But yeah, I'm gonna pass on Chris.
Yeah, strong.
Pass on Chris.
Oh, Dave East.
Smash. I'm gonna smash Dave East.
I'm gonna smash Dave East. And
what about Matt Barnes? I'm gonna pass on Matt Barnes.
He's too messy. I'm gonna say
Davies is messy too.
Yeah, Davies is messy, but I know he a Kappa nigga. But Matt Barnes is messy. He got too much going on with his
I'm not
shit.
smashing Matt Barnes.
Nah.
I'm not smashing.
I'm not gonna smash him. Tay Diggs.
Pass. He don't even like black women.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't know that. I'm capping. I don't know if he likes black women or not, but
from the record states, Your Honor.
I'm gonna just pass on Tay Diggs. Tay Diggs, I know he'll be a cool friend though.
Tay Diggs,
like a good friend.
I'm gonna pass on Tay Diggs. More Chestnut.
Oh, smash!
I'm gonna marry that.
Smash! What? That's
He's
sacred.
Motherfucking
He's sacred in the community. Morris Chestnut.
That's gross.
I'm gonna pass on Lance.
He seemed a little corny, huh? Seemed a little corny.
It's okay.
I'm
gonna smash on. I'm gonna pass on Lance.
Lance, I'm gonna pass on Lance.
I'm gonna pass on Lance.
What's his name? Jay Ellis.
I'm gonna pass on Jay Ellis too.
Lawrence?
Yeah. I'm gonna pass on.
Lawrence?
I'm sorry. I love you and Insecure, but I'm gonna pass on. What you gonna do? You gonna pass?
I'm not smashing Lance Gross. I'm not smashing Jay Ellis.
You're not,
I like a young man.
I don't know.
I like a young man that's like got.
They just don't seem like
rough.
my type. Yeah, they don't really seem like
I need
my
a little
type.
rough guy. They don't. They're probably different. I mean, just not my type. Like.
Yeah, definitely. I'm not.
I need you to choke me.
Definitely not my
dining
type.
Table. Choke me through the dining table.
Why?
All
right, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, tell your mama, tell your man, tell a friend, come subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click that bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload.
Oh, y'all both got it right. Fuck, I just played it. Y'all both got it right, so why do I have to take a shot?
Because it was too easy.
You play.
What are you?
A Scorpio. Scorpio's in the house. You already know what it is.
All right, wrap it up.
And that's a wrap on that.
I thought we had a good